Is right now, as you finished the knowledge part, is now the time you get to skill part. So I would recommend you to figure out what is that you like to do. Don't tell me PUBG and Free Fire. That are not list of things which you like, but when I say like, what is that something which you can do for a long time and which will make you feel good? Whether it is, okay, you enjoy technology, well, you enjoy medicine, right? You enjoy probably art, design. Today, fortunately, after 78 years of independence, the country is in a position where it can provide you different kind of employments in areas which you might like to do. Like for example, most of you, as soon as sir asked where did you join, some of you said FPC, some said CEC. So I will not ask the question for FPC, but the ones who took CEC. Like MPC students, all of them, like some of you got really good scores. I'm assuming you plan to keep up the same. And if you want to keep the same, I assume you would like to go to a better college. And have a better career. And let's say MPC students try for IIT, medical students try for AIDS. What do commerce students look for? Which is the topmost commerce college in the country? Or let's say someone likes arts. Which is the top design school in the country? Okay, let's say someone likes hotel management. Which is the topmost hotel management? Forget country, let's talk about our city. Do you know we have two central universities in this city, Hyderabad? Do you know their name? So the important part is to, yeah, you know?
No university.
Hyderabad has Hyderabad Central University. It is among the top 5 universities in the country. A lot of people come from outside to come and study here. Then you have English and Foreign Languages University, where you, let's say some of you would like to pursue Arabic, Sanskrit, English. Of course, they are all good careers. That's good for you. And some of the top commerce colleges in the country are in Delhi University. So basically I ask you to figure out what is that you like, and for that you need to work hard. Your marks which you scored in 10th, maybe you'll forget it in a few more years. But how will you do well depends on what is it you like to do. Really good with. So I would suggest you the next 2 years, apart from working well in your academics, this is for all the other students also, start figuring out what is that you can do really well. Like for example, in summer, I know I don't look like that, but I used to play cricket. Even in the mid of summer,